Number 1. Klim Krois Pro Adventure Motorcycle Helmet ECE/DOT. Full carbon fiber hand-laid shell. Optimized shell resin distribution for weight reduction. Choroid structures crush homogeneously for better impact absorption. Number 2. Klim Krois Motorcycle Helmet ECE/DOT. Color, gloss carbon black. Brand, Klim. Vehicle service type, Adventure Tourer. Item weight, 3.3 pounds. Material, carbon fiber. Number 3. ILM Motorcycle Helmets for Adult Men-Women Full Face. DOT and ECE safety standards mean the motorcycle helmet performs better in impact attenuation and other tests, greatly improving impact absorption capacity. ABS shell with black EPS liner means the helmet is brilliant in lightweight and strength. ILM has been working to create a perfect helmet for motorcycles, street bikes, racing, motocross, ATVs, cruisers, etc. Number 4. ILM Vintage Full Face Modular Motorcycle Helmet. Meets or exceeds FMVSS 218 and DOT safety standards. Quality ABS outer shell and high-density EPS foam lining. Provide more safety during the ride. Vintage retro motorcycle helmets designed with 180-degree flip-up chin guard. The helmet can be used as full-face helmet, modular helmet, or 3/4 open-face motorcycle helmet by reversing the chin part to the angle you want. Number 5. ILM Motorcycle Helmet Full Face. Meets or exceeds FMVSS 218 and DOT safety standards. Visor lock keeps the outer visor firmly attached on the helmet while riding at high speed, ensures safety, multiple vents for optimum ventilation, quick release, and metal buckle offers solid protection. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.